Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed, welcomes you all on Pabbly. So guys, here I bring to you some amazing automation techniques by which you can do your business hassle-free and efficiently. And I am back again with yet another amazing automation by which you can automatically add the data of the person who have taken an appointment with you, and you can save that data automatically in a base you have in Airtable, right? So let me show you how this process will look like, how this automation workflow is going to look like. So first of all, we have taken the example of Pro Booking application. So guys, Pro Booking is an appointment and scheduling application from which you can take appointments. So guys, as and when any person is taking an appointment with you for any kind of business, the data of that same person will get automatically transferred here in Airtable application and stored in a spreadsheet. And guys, to make this automation, I'm using a software here called as Pabbly Connect. So what Pabbly Connect will do, it will connect these two applications together, and these applications do not have any native integration or connection. So this software is going to connect these two applications such that whenever you got a new booking, the data of the person who have done the booking will get automatically transferred here and saved here. And guys, the best part of making this automation is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. So now let me show you the process by which you can also make this automation. So guys, this is my computer screen. Here you can see I'm in my Pro Booking application, and here I have created this booking page, and I have taken example of an eye clinic. So I have created a booking page for eye clinic. Okay, so this is the booking page. So and here patients can take the appointment for with the doctor for the eye checkup. Okay, and as and when they book an appointment, the data of the person will get automatically transferred here and saved here in a base that we have in Airtable application like this. Okay, so let me show you how it is going to happen. So I'm creating a booking from this booking page at 15th of December at 12 p.m. Okay, and here I'm going to fill the details of the person who is going to book the appointment. Okay, like this, and the email address, the mobile number, the age, and the gender. Okay, and I'm clicking on book now, and you can see the booking is confirmed here. Now let's check in our base in Airtable application if the data of the same appointee get added here or not. So I'm going to, oh, you can see here at the sixth position, at the sixth row, the data is here automatically with the name as Ayush Jain, the email ID, the number, and the booking date and time. You can see 15th of December at 12 p.m. So this is how it is going to happen in real time, and you can track the appointment details from here only as and when someone book the appointment. Okay, so now let me show you the process by which you can also create this automation. So the first step to create this automation, guys, is that you have to sign up here in Pabbly Connect application. So you have to type in your internet browser pabbly.com/connect and you will reach this place. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect trial account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. Okay. After signing up, you can sign in. And when you sign in, you will reach this place, the all apps section of Pabbly. From here, you have to come to this Pabbly Connect panel and click on access now. So that will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the real place where you have to actually start working, and you have to create a simple automation workflow here and you will be done. Let me show you. For creating a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button like this, and here you can give any relevant name to a workflow. So let me fill the name here first. So guys, I filled the name of this workflow as send booking data from Pro Booking page to Airtable base. Okay. Now click on this create button and you can see your workflow getting created like this. And here in this page, the first two things you will find is this, the trigger and the action. So our workflow automation work on these two things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect do this. All right. As in our use case, a trigger would be a new booking happening in Pro Booking page, and the action to that trigger would be to save the data of the appointee here in a base we have in Airtable. Okay, so first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, And from this choose app field, you have to choose your trigger application, which is ProBooking. Okay, so here we have ProBooking application, select it. And now it is asking for the trigger event. So our trigger event would be completion of the booking. Okay, so creation of the appointment is the trigger event. So select this appointment created option. Okay, and then it will show you this URL. So this is called as a webhook URL. So with the help of this, first we have to connect our ProBooking application, and then we are going to fetch the data. So first of all, you have to click here on copy button. Okay, then you have to follow these instructions. You have to go to ProBooking, log into ProBooking, then go to integrations tab, then find this option. Okay, so let me show you the process. This is my ProBooking application here. Okay, and here I'm going to click on this. Oh, sorry, this is Airtable Space. Sorry, this is my ProBooking application here, and here you have to click on let me show you this integrations option on the left hand side, this one. Click on it, and from this page you will find this analytics and webhooks option. Click on it, and here you can see we have this on new booking option. Click on this icon here, plus icon, and here you have to paste the webhook that you have copied from Pabbly Connect. So you can see we have already two webhooks pasted here, so you can paste your webhook here in this third field. Okay, like this. Okay, where we have, yeah, this webhook URL which we have copied like this, you have to paste it here in your ProBooking application in this field, and the webhook set here. Now we are going to test this webhook by clicking on test and save. So when you click here, it will fetch the data of any random booking appointment. Okay, so you can see as I clicked here on copy in Pabbly Connect, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So now when I click here in ProBooking on test and save, it will send the data to check the connection. I am clicking here on test and save, and you can see the request success. Webhook URL is verified. Let me check here in Pabbly Connect, and you can see it is showing us the response of a new booking, and the name of the person is let me show you, John Doe. Okay, and all other details that it can fetch from the booking page, it is showing us. So guys, this is the data of any random appointment happened in our ProBooking application that it has sent to us like this. Okay, but we want that whenever we got the booking in our iCheckup page, then only we want to have the data here. For that we have to recapture this response. Okay, so I'm clicking on this recapture webhook response button and clicking on yes. Okay, and you will see it started showing waiting for webhook response again. Now we will do a test submission from our page, our booking page, from which we want to capture the data, and our page is this one. Let me show you. Okay, our page is this one. Let me click on appointment types here. Okay, so we can have multiple booking pages from ProBooking application. You have to find the page from which you want to send the data. So here it is, iCheckup booking page. So I'm clicking on copy link here, and I'm going to open this page again here in a new tab. Okay, and from here I'm going to make another demo booking at, let's say, 16th of December at 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay, and now let me fill the name as Ranjit Singh. Okay, the email address, the mobile number, the age, and the gender. Okay, and I'm clicking on book now, and you can see the book is confirmed again here. Now let's check in Pabbly Connect if the data is captured or not. So it's still waiting for the response. So now you can see the data is captured here like this. Okay, so it started showing the name of the person, the all other details also. But you can see in the time slot it is showing us 4:30. In the date it is showing 16/12/2021, which is the same date on which that booking happened. But in the time slot it is showing us 4:30. But actually we have done the booking at 10 a.m. This is because it Pabbly Connect captures the time data in UTC format. You can see here it uses the time zone UTC plus 5:30. So guys, UTC is universally converted time format which lags behind 5 hours and 30 minutes from Indian Standard Time format. That's why it is showing us 4:30. But we do not want to save this time here in our Airtable base because we might get confused. So for that, I'm going to change this time zone into Indian Standard Time. For that, you can use one feature by Pabbly Connect, which is called date time formatter. Okay, so click here on this action window, and from this choose as field, choose date time formatter by Pabbly, this one. Okay, and here in this action event, you can find this format date with time zone. So select this option and then click on connect, and here it is asking which date or time you want to convert. Okay, so we have this date and time here, the date and the time slot, right? So you have to map these two things here in this date field. Okay, so click on this field like this, and here you will find this pro booking appointment created option. Click on it, and here you will find this date. So map this date and also the time. Okay, so I'm mapping the time as well like this. Okay, now it is asking for from which format you want to convert. So you can see we have this format here, YY, MM, DD, hours, minutes, seconds. So you have to find this format here from this drop down. So you can see year, month, date, hours, minutes, seconds. This is the time format we have right now. So select that time format. Now it is asking to which format you want to convert this date and time. So I want to convert this in this format. Let me check here. Okay, so I want to convert this into simpler format. So this is we have this format month, date, year, and hour, minutes, seconds. So this is much simpler and presentable. So I'm selecting this format here, and now it is asking from which time zone you want to convert it. So we got the time in UTC format. So select UTC here, and to which time zone you want to convert. So I want to convert this in Indian Standard Time zone. So you will find the time zone by typing here Asia Kolkata. Okay, this one is our Indian Standard Time zone. Now click here on save and send test request, and you will see. So now you can see in this result label here that date and time is converted like this. It is showing now December 16th and 10 a.m. which is the exact same time on which we got the booking. Okay, 10 a.m. 16th of December, right? Now we want to save this data in our Airtable base. For that, we have to connect our Airtable application first. So click on this plus icon, and another action window will open up like this. And here from this choose app field, you have to select Airtable application. This is Airtable we have. Select it. Okay. And in this action event, you have to select this create record option because we want to create another record in a new row. Okay. So click on create record. Then click on connect here, and from this window select add new connection, and now it is asking for the token. Okay, so you have to find the API key from your account section in Airtable. So let me show you. This is our Airtable space, and here you can see when you click on this profile icon, you will find this account option. Click on accounts. Okay, and from this page when you scroll down, you will find this API key here like this. So you just have to copy this key from here, go to Pabbly Connect again, and paste the key here in this token field like this. Then click on save, and you will be connected with Airtable as well. You can see we are connected now. Now it is asking for the base ID. So here when you click, you will get the list of all the bases you have in Airtable. Okay, so you can see this is our base, and the name of the base is pro booking, and the name of the table or a sheet here is appointment. Okay, so first of all, let's select the base, which is pro booking. Let me search it. Okay, this is pro booking. You can see, select the base first. Okay, And you can see the table name get automatically selected here as appointment because we have only one table. Yeah, we have only one table in this space, so it gets selected automatically. Now it is asking appointment for and the name and the email. So these things we needed to be saved here in this table. Okay, so we are going to map the details of these things which we got from this first tab. You can see we got the details of the appointment here. Okay, so we are going to map the details here in these fields. So when you map the details like this, what will happen whenever you got a new appointment or booking from the page you have in ProBooking, the data will be mapped automatically here and saved automatically also. So let us first map the appointment for option. So click on this appointment for field, and here you'll find this ProBooking appointment created option. Click on it, and here you can see in this offering name it is showing iCheckup. So this is the thing for what the appointment has been taken. Okay, so map the data like this. Now in the name, map the name of the person who have taken the appointment, and you will find the name here like this. Okay, and similarly the email also you'll find here in this ProBooking data. This is the email, and the mobile number also, where it is, this is the mobile number, and the appointment date. So in the appointment date and time field, you have to click here on date time formatter option, because we have converted the date and time into a different format, which is this. Okay, in a simpler and in IST format. So select the date and time from this date time formatter option like this. Okay, now when you click here on save and send test request, this data will be sent to ProBooking application. Sorry, this data will be sent to our base here in Airtable and added here in a new row. Let me show you. I'm clicking here on save and send test request, and you can see it started showing this kind of response here. Okay, now let's check in our Airtable's base, and you can see a new row is added here. Appointment for iCheckup, the name of the patient, the email, the number, and the appointment date and time. Okay, so we are sure now that our connection with Airtable is working fine and proper, and our workflow is also completed. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger window, we selected our trigger application, which was ProBooking. Okay, then with the help of this URL, we connected with ProBooking and captured the test data here like this from a page that we want to connect. Okay, like this. After that, I converted this date and time from UTC to IST and in a different format like this. Okay, right? After that, I connected Airtable application to send the data to Airtable. Okay, selected the base ID and the table's name and map the details required or needed to be sent from the first option. Okay, like this. And when I clicked here on save and send test request, you have seen the data transferred here properly. So now you just have to click on save, and we are done here. And guys, you can use this same workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect trial account and start running this automation instantly.
So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integration using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.